We're in the PinpointEye app at the moment, and what we're looking at here is the National Trust Somerset, Wiltshire and Gloucestershire pinpoint locations list. These locations have been assembled in the same order as they appear in the National Trust handbook. This list is available as a PDF download for people who do not have the PinpointEye app, and they get everything in terms of information and navigation that you get from the app, but they don't get the map view, which is very useful. If you're in the area and you're a National Trust member and you just want to know a site to visit that's nearest to where you are, you can select directly from the map. For example, if we look at Laycock here, all these links are hyperlinked enabled to the website of the National Trust. And here we're looking at Laycock. We can check the opening times. They're not only partially open in February. Check for March, and we see here they're open at the weekends. And if we want to navigate there, we can do that directly from the map pointer, and that will take us very accurately to the car park where possible. So if there's a National Trust car park, you're always navigated very accurately to the car park. Let's find another example. Starhead, that's a nice one. Check the opening times. They're open in February, which is handy, so we could go there now. And again, we're navigated. Give navigation straight to the car park. Put it in satellite mode, and we can see we're taken to the entrance of the car park. The other thing you can do, which is quite handy, is these distances here are the distance from your current location. So we can use this list out of map view, and for example, if we're going through here, find one that's close by, might see for example Durham Park, that's only 8 miles from where we are at the moment. So we've got the hyperlinks here as well, so we can check the opening times, and it is open, which is handy. So we can then navigate straight to it from the list, and again that should take us straight to the car park. So that's National Trust lists for PinpointEye, your friend on your travels.